Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm basically just shooting a few intros here in 047. So you know she's gonna be a little loud, but actually I actually got a like a little microphone. So and I actually got it on, so I'm gonna see if you guys can find it before I tell you where it's at. But I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about this video, this little intro, before I tell you. So I think I may stop and get me some breakfast before I go in, but I'm not sure what I want. Anyway, we're about to get into episode 12 of the build of the 1953 Chevy panel truck, and we are at the stage that we are at the second stage really of this console. We are wrapping the console. We are actually doing a two-tone, and I did a they call it like a 3D raised panel, and so far she turned out good. I got a flip top on there. I actually got my gauges for my windows and for my rear seats. So things are looking up, guys. Everything's looking good. I'm excited about it. And now we're about to start spraying some glue. And I tell you what, sometimes when you use this contact cement, you got one chance at a good wrap, so you won't have any bubbles or nothing like that in it. But one reason why I did get this mic is because, like I said, I drive these loud trucks and stuff, so I kind of figured, I said, well, let me try a different mic since I'm kind of far away from my recording device and stuff. And I'm gonna use this a couple of times to see if I can tell any difference in the video, guys. So I wanted you to find out where my mic is. So anyway, my mic is right here, guys. All right, so let's get into this video. All right, so I'm about to wrap my little 3D boards. As you see, I got everything measured out. I got those screws there that's going all the way through the board that fit on the outside of the inner console. Doing a two-tone center console. There she is. So you have this wrap. Right, I'm spraying that contact cement down. It's gonna be a lot of glue. And as you guys see, I'm wearing my PPE, my respirator, even though I'm inside the garage and I got the garage door open. That stuff can get pretty nasty. Now, I didn't show you guys the wrapping procedure. The next time I do any wrapping and stuff, I definitely will get that on camera. It's just hard to record and actually rewrap at the same time, but now I got me a stand, so I better show you guys a lot more. Alright, finished product. This is what they look like wrapped. As you see, I actually got a recessed screen in there. That's for my speaker box to protect it. Also, it gives it some, like a little bit of decoration as well. So we're going to go around the back of the console. That's the speaker I got there, and that's the mesh that I normally use. You can get that off of eBay or Amazon. And that's the inside of the lid there. I'll just put some felt on it and I'll wrap it. Actually, I glue that as well. Little stuff to put your keys and your change and stuff, and that's how it looks in the rear. Well, I got my vent going all the way through there. So that's the piece. As you see, it's like half wrap. That other piece I made, like the 3D console, that'll go up against that panel there, and that's how it will look. That's how that two-tone will look there. You can't even tell that it's just it's wrapped halfway. And everything is just sitting in there right now. I'm just still test fitting everything. But I think it came out really smooth. I mean, and basically that's the center console there. And where I'm pointing at there, I'll put that light brown material inside of it. I'll just cut a piece off and glue it in there, and it'll just look like it's two pieces in there. I'll show that to you later on and complete it. And of course, you know, you have to do both sides. So that is just one side there I'm showing. And then we're going to go to the other side, and I'm going to actually wrap that side as well. And I'm going to show you how it actually look inside the truck. I got the fitment in there and it fits perfect. So I want you guys to write some comments down below. Let me know what you think about this center console. If you guys want to build one, let me know, and I'll send you all the measurements and the board, the diameters and stuff of what you would need to build this box. And have fun doing it like I did. Got old Mo the shop dog out here with me today, guys. Old Mo, he's up here eating his treat. Hey guys, so we're done pretty much with that console, man. I tell you, hey, it's the next day. I couldn't finish all the video and everything up the same day, guys. So I'm up here working in the garage trying to figure out my next step here. I'm actually working on this little fan down here, trying to get this thing working for me. Yeah, I'm having issues with my, it's kind of dark in here. I need to cut some lights on, I guess. But the only thing we got left, guys, with that console now, did a good job, man. I tell you, that console turned out good. I mean, what do you guys think? Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about that center console I built. First time ever trying to attempt something like that. I think it turned out awesome. I hope you guys think it turned out awesome. This panel truck is gonna be sweet, man. I'm telling you. It's, you know, maybe I invite one of you guys over and take a ride in it with me. I mean, we just go cruising. Go do a cruise in and see what's going on with all these other custom rides that we're gonna be encountering, and trying to do get some good reviews of some of these old antique cars, man. I'm a big antique enthusiast, guys. Y'all know that already. But you know, the only thing we got left with the console, I got the LEDs. We just gotta, you know, hook them up. Pretty simple to hook up. I actually got some switches from Amazon, and first it was kind of no instructions online for me to hook them up or anything, so I had to figure out how to hook them up, and then all that, they look really good, and especially at nighttime. And I also did the cup holders too. Matter of fact, I forgot to tell you guys about that. I did cup holders in LEDs as well. And so the LEDs, the switches, and also I have some like LEDs underneath my seat that I can turn on and off, and I also have the LEDs in my door panels as well. So we'll take a good tour of the truck whenever it's done, and I'll show you guys all of the LEDs and how I got those hooked up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe these videos as well to other people. I don't care, your cousins, your brothers, even your mother. You know, I mean, hopefully she may like classic cars or some restoration stuff, guys. So like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them, baby.